Want to use Mega directly from your computer instead of relying only on a web browser. In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install the Mega Desktop app on Windows, sign in, and make sure everything is ready to use. So let's get into it. First, open the official Mega website and find the download section for its desktop application. Choose the Windows version and start the download. Before installing anything, make sure you're getting the installer from Mega's official website, not an unfamiliar third-party source. Once the installer finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and locate the Mega Setup file. Double-click it to start the installation. If Windows displays a security or permission prompt, review the publisher information and select the option to continue if everything looks correct. Now follow the installation wizard. Review the available options, choose the installation location if you're given the choice, and continue through the setup screens. The installer will copy the required files to your computer. This usually only takes a short while. When the installation is complete, finish the setup and launch the Mega Desktop application. You may find it in the Start menu or as a shortcut on your desktop, depending on the options selected during installation. Next, sign in using your Mega account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, use the available sign-up option to create one. After signing in, the app can connect your computer with your Mega cloud storage and provide access to your files. Finally, take a quick look through the desktop app settings. Depending on your setup, you can configure syncing and choose which folders should be connected to your Mega storage. Check these options carefully before starting a large sync. That way, you know exactly what's being transferred. And that's it. Mega is now installed and ready to use on your Windows computer. You can sign in, access your cloud files, and configure syncing from the desktop app. Pretty simple, right? Just keep the app updated and review your sync settings from time to time.